What is up, guys? Dado here. I wanted to make this video in order to thank all my fans, all the supporters, and all the people who have reached out to me, letting me know that I have influenced them in some kind of way, that they like my content, that they want me to do more stuff on my channel. So here's your chance to support. You guys might have seen the Dado Made trailer teaser on my YouTube channel, and I am releasing the video this weekend, so stay tuned. Please share it with your friends and show me some love. I'm gonna link a couple things down below. If you guys have been following me on social media, you know that I'm a part of a motorcycle customization series, and many of you have been asking, well, what's gonna happen when Jaret and Christina move? Jaret and Christina are moving to California. They are going to continue doing social media and builds, and they are going to have their lives out there. I will continue to do what I do out here. The content is going to change a little bit. I have a couple of builds of my own that I plan on putting on my channel. Many of you have reached out to me asking me how I got into motorcycle riding and wrenching, and how did I learn to do the things that I do. Well, I hired a filmographer. Her name is SHVWNCOOPER. I've worked with her in the last couple of months on putting together a short video, and that video is going live this weekend, so please stay tuned. Make sure you are subscribed and the little notification bell is smashed really hard. If you want to see more content on my channel and my Instagram, please share my pages. All the links are listed below. One last thing, if you guys could please share my social media links and the link to the video that's about to come out this weekend, I would greatly appreciate it. I would appreciate it so much that I will continue to make these videos. I will continue to build motorcycles. You're happy, I'm happy, your Uncle Bob is happy. With all that said, until next time, see ya.